Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Lloyd, Mr. Border City. Today we're taking this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 5-liter engine with a V6 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2020 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly feature power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black cloth seating with adjustable locate on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control option on the left and our median hands-free option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror of our cabin lighting. Looking forward, you can see that this 2020 F-150 has 130,994 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as our audio, phone integration, application, settings, and with just below being our climate control area, we have controlled air conditioning as well as heating, which is below being our heated seats. If there are any more questions on this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 XLT, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.